markets generally continue to stay in consolidation mode. U.S. equities paid initial loss and turned positive at closing, and the recovery carried on in the Asian markets. The euro is a bit weaker than other major currencies, but so far the price actions in euro crosses look corrective. The Financial Times report stated that the EU has been in talks with the Spanish government over a possible rescue package. According to the report, the talks between the two parties are focusing on measures that will be demanded by international lenders as part of a new rescue program, ensuring they are in place before a bailout is formally requested. However, this was later denied by officials who said that the discussions were focused on structural reforms in the Spanish economy, not about austerity measures. In Greece, it's expected that the debt-ridden country would secure another round of assistance. However, while Prime Minister Samaras has made some progress in reaching an agreement on budget cuts with the Troika, he has yet to overcome challenges from his coalition partners. Democratic left leader Fotis Kouvalis said that the Troika must understand there are limits to implement fiscal consolidation. Meanwhile, one of the party's MPs said he was setting up a movement to oppose implementation of austerity measures. Greece is not alone in facing severe opposition, as adopting austerity measures means welfare would be diminished. In Portugal, popularity of the Portuguese government slumped 12% to a record low after it lifted taxes. In the U.S., Minneapolis Fed Coca-Cola Coulter, an own hawk, changed stance and said that the Fed should keep the Fed funds rate extraordinarily low until the unemployment rate has fallen below 5.5%, and he urged the Fed to continue the open-ended purchase of mortgage-backed securities until employment improved substantially. Boston Fed Rosengreen says that the Fed's QE3 provides significant additional support to the economic recovery, and should result in stronger economic growth and return us to full employment more quickly than would be the case absent the policies. Rosengreen quantified that the natural unemployment rate from the Boston Fed's position was at the lower end of 5 to 6%, and he said the current rate is much higher than it should be in the long run. On the data front, Australia, the Conference Board leading indicator, was flat in July. UK public sector net borrowing is expected to be at £13.2 billion in August. Canadian inflation data is the major focus today, and CPI is expected to be unchanged at 1.3% year-on-year, with core CPI dipping slightly to 1.6% year-on-year.